Bro, you already know we out here, man. And welcome back to my channel. My name is Marlon. And if you're new, my name is Marlon.
Bruh.
So yeah, we just hit 4,000 subscribers and I can't thank you guys enough. It really means a lot to me. Just having to do this a second time made me want it even more. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. I appreciate it a lot, okay? Alright, check me out. I took off the little, hold up, let me get the lighting back. So this video is basically gonna be how to pick out your hair correctly. Well, first you need to know what pick you want to use. You have a plastic pick and a metal pick, which I don't have right now, which I'm gonna go get in my room. I'll be back in 10 seconds. And the pros for both of them, it's gonna make your hair have more volume. People say that the metal one would cause damage to your roots and break it since it's so strong, but I haven't really experienced much of that, so I'm just gonna continue to use that. Well, the plastic one is really good for me because it doesn't cause any frizz when you're picking out your hair. For this video, I'm gonna just use both, all right? I'm gonna start with the plastic one. What you wanna do is pick it out from the back first. And then you wanna come under, right? You gotta be careful with this part right here. You can put the pick right in your hair. As soon as you get to the roots, lift it. If you don't feel your scalp, don't lift. As you can see, hair is still kind of flat. I'm not done. For this part, I'm gonna use the metal one. I'm gonna pick the top, right? So this video is really dedicated to the volume. But let me tell you, you still see some parts that are kind of flat. Well, you can just go to the root, bring it up. As you can see right now, and all it took was a pick. All it took was 2 picks actually. There's no way you're gonna get the volume and definition combined without moisturizing your hair. And if you don't know how to correctly moisturize your hair, let me know down in the comments so I can make a video on how to properly moisturize your hair. All right, that's it for this video. So you already know we out here, and you already know we out here.